In this section, we will cover a complete aftermarket stereo installation. Step 1. What you'll need. First, let's begin with what you will need. Stereo installation kit. Scosche stereo connector harness. Next, check to see that you have all the necessary tools on hand. We recommend the Scosche TK12 toolkit. It includes panel removal tool, wire strippers, crimpers, and cutters, a screwdriver with 7 interchangeable bits, cable runner tool, wire ties, splice connectors, electrical tape, and a computer-safe test light. Feel free to contact the Scosche technical support team at any time during your installation. Step 2. Removing the factory stereo. Let's disconnect the negative terminal of your battery. This will prevent damage to the vehicle's electronics and ensure a safe install. Next, remove factory trim bezel to access the radio. Unbolt the radio and remove it from the opening to access the wiring. Scosche kits include detailed dashboard disassembly instructions to simplify your installation. As a general rule of thumb, dash bezels are held on by hidden screws and panel clips. First, remove the retaining screws. Then, use a panel removal tool to gently pry out on the panel to disengage the clips. Remember, there are as many mounting methods as there are radios, so if you have questions about how to remove your radio or trim panels, call Scosche technical support. Step 3. Wiring the stereo. Scosche wiring connectors are designed using EIA industry standard wire colors. This makes connecting your factory wiring to an aftermarket stereo simple. Always confirm your connections before powering up your system. Using the splice connectors, attach the Scosche connector and the new stereo harness together. Take note to attach the correct colors together for power, ground, accessory, and speaker wires. Consult your stereo's manual to confirm wire colors. For assistance, call Scosche technical support. We'll gladly answer your questions. Step 4. Preparing the kit. Assemble your Scosche dash kit using the included instructions. Different vehicles will use different pieces. Pay close attention to the notes for your particular vehicle. Bolt both brackets onto the face panel. Slide stereo mounting can into the opening in your kit. Now, bend out the tabs on the can to anchor it into place. Attach the Scosche connector that you previously wired to the factory harness. Then slide the radio into the mounting can until it locks in place. Now connect the antenna wire to the aftermarket stereo. In this installation, a Scosche antenna adapter is required. Consult your local retailer or Scosche technical support for application information. If you plan on adding on an amplifier, this is when you will want to connect the RCAs. Now, you are ready to attach the other end of the connector to the aftermarket stereo. For assistance, call Scosche technical support. We'll gladly answer your questions. Step 5. Installing the stereo. We're almost there. Now you're ready to bolt the stereo and dash kit assembly into place. Then, reconnect the negative battery terminal so we can test the system. Turn the key on to ensure the radio powers up and plays. Step 6. Final assembly. Now we can reassemble the dashboard. Snap the factory trim bezel into place. Enjoy your next drive.